Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 Lariat. Coming in this nice star white metallic coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package, the tow and haul package, mobile office package, and the bed utility package. This vehicle is pretty freaking loaded, and we do get rear park sensing, those dual exhaust, and classic tow hitch with the backup camera. We also do get the nice new Pro Access tailgate, allows you to have easier access to your bed. You got a bed and spray liner, lights, and doodads to hold your gear down. A little outlet back there. You got measurements on the tailgate. It's also powered. Will go down automatically for you, and let's just say you're holding a lot of stuff with your hands. All you have to do is knee it up, and it will go up automatically. Looking over here, we do have black platformed running boards, side view camera, spotlights, and blind spot detection. Moving in front here, we have front park sensing, recovery hooks, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we do have seating for up to 5. We got this nice black perforated leathering, plenty of door space with a B&O sound system, flat fold storage system, carpeted interior. You got cup holders, rear vents, heated back seats, 2 USB-Cs, 120 volt, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front with power door mirrors and memory seating for up to 3 drivers. Auto stop start, blind spot detection, spotlights, parking brake and pedal adjusters all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 44.9 kilometers. We have a heated leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle for your screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we do get My View, Trip and Feel, your heads-up display, which you can sort of kind of see on the vans ahead of me. Just limit your distractions so you can keep your eyes on the road. You have gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we got our gear select, has your speeds, it's collapsible storage, cup holders, wireless charging pad with more outlets down there, and it does close. We do get that nice interior work surface, as well as your normal storage in the glove center console. The glove compartment's right there, and you do get your storage above as well. You have your rear locking diff, drive modes, 4-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, and your engine start. Heated and cooled front seats. I'm going to turn that on. Oh, nope, I don't want that. You got your dual climate, 12 volt and 120. Park assist, storage above, and we do get a powered rear window opener, as well as our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, and a garage door transmitter. And we're just going to go to here real quick. You get little widgets on the side because you do get your navigation. You can go for different ones if it wanted to do its thing. And looking here at our audio, we do get AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. We got our phone capabilities, navigation, fave apps, messaging, email, all that jazz. Apps in general, there are any apps you have downloaded will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FA66239, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.